It's been a while, you see.
Yeah.
Viewers have a whole heap of things to say, you know, but time is right, you know. The time is right, because them say after a storm there must be a calm.
And them say TrenchTown nice again.
Yeah. Them say TrenchTown nice again.
So this is where I go and then. You know, so.
I always have to bring the smile to my mother's face, you see.
You know,
see, I'm
righteous.
like that, you know. No.
Righteous way, man.
Yeah, watch her. Give me a kiss. She love me like that, boy. You
righteous.
See? So big up all of the donor, them say it speed, you know. Say, don't know.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Yeah man, them are the mineral and the nutritional. We are talking about electrical, self-food, natural spring water, we call it the healing water. If you can see it now. Right name, healing water. Very good to wash eyes, mouthwash, body sore, belly. I when scanner have him sore. This. So the water you can drink. The water do everything because this is the blood of mama, the liquid from the earth. Oxygen food. You're looking at thing called the alkaline box now. One cork in the morning, one cork in the evening. And you can drink it anytime because this alkaline back the body. Alkaline means bring back the body pH level. Come in, Sam. Hear about great Sam, we have Sam cook. What about great man?
What about great?
Yeah.
Big Sam.
Big Sam. Yeah, so right now we are set back Sam. Sam, see the mineral and nutrition. When you go to your bed, you bless them. Talk to your God like when you talk to me. And remember this, confession is good for the what?
Soul.
Confession is good for the
soul.
Right, so anything a man do in a life, go back to your creator yourself and go confess and beg forgiveness. Because people make mistake and go on like them not make mistake. Every man make mistake in life. And once you're alive, and there's life, there's hope. And my motto, when not dead,
no dash away.
No dash away. So, alright, so Sam, give me the so Sam package where our Billy man may have more things you can feed because each panel now you have the fresh vegetable and if you make your soup, if you make your liquor, green juice and things. But them you know, mineral are food, everything else are food, no drugs. See, the first one is, look at this, hold it aside. Show them the one there. So the one there with Samuel, it named the seaweed powder. Sea powder. That means weight do teaspoon to a cup of hot water and it can boil. And what you do now, it build back circulation, controlling pressure, make him sleep good, nerves, strokes, kidney problem, kidney stone, gallstone, pile, everything you do. Because that's the seaweed now. The sea powder give the body all mineral. Alright? Yeah.
Next
so
one.
that one there now, this is the one them have now man now.
Yeah.
You can put that in tea, steam it, boil it. You can go in soup, cook yam and banana. You can put in the pot water. And when the pot yam and banana cook, drink the pot water. Because most people don't drink pot water. And pot water have the nourishment. Alright? That can steam it all, your rice. That's why you see the Chinaman who carry a big belly can eat the seaweed with the rice.
Yeah.
And the seaweed is nourishing. So that one I know. Sam, show them that one I know. Hold it up, make him see. Show him the picture. It named the algae. Algae powder, the top superfood. Algae mean anything we grow in the water, fresh water or salt water. It's algae. And that give the body enough mineral. That give the body enough oxygen. That help give the body strong memory box. Help the body clean and build itself. Also provide the body with niacin, lutein, beta carotene, B12, all the mineral that the body needs. So this is natural food.
Yeah.
See our next one and I'll show him again. Instant. Wait name? Sweet say? Instant nourishing food for the body. Them don't boil that. You just throw a cup of hot water upon it and make it steam and can sweeten it with honey or molasses. No sugar. I'm just drink it so because it have the nutrition and it have the mineral there. Okay? So Sam, you are on the road to what? Healing. 1 teaspoon the mark on it, 1 teaspoon to a cup of hot water.
So all the information is on it.
All the information is on it. On it. So I hear one them and pray to them. Pray to God. This one now, cosmic food. Cosmic food now, this is every mineral that the body needs. 102 minerals. So it nourishes back the body and you can drink 3 cap anytime, morning or night. Because your body is intelligent.
So 3 cap one time?
Yeah.
So 3 cock one time?
3 cock one time. And you drink it morning or night. If your body said it wants some, drink it because your body is that thing with request. It's intelligent.
Yeah.
It speak. So 3 cap anytime.
Yeah, so this 3 times. See that? See that? 3 cap.
3 cap anytime.
Anytime. You see it?
And your water now, as me tell you, you can drink it. 3 cap, you drink of the water, and you can wash the eyes, and you can gargle your throat. You have bad stomach, it good feet. Belly hurt, it good feet.
And that's the healing water.
That's the healing water.
So this is the healing water.
Right.
Wash eye, body sore, belly ache, you know, you name it. Itching, running.
Itching, running bellies, bad sore, we're gonna get better.
Okay.
Right. And you don't know the alkaline box. Protect you from virus, protect you from everything. It clean and build by the blood, build up the immune system, and purge the blood. So these are the alkaline box.
Yeah.
See it? So my people, hold on, one more left. Well, these are the Irish mash roots now. The sea mash, see it say?
Yes.
Irish mash roots. These are the sea mash. This help now, where this to know, you know, this help the body build back memory box, brain cells, muscle mass. I get a thing called mannitone, which is a muscle food. It helps strengthening back. And it also get a thing called omega-3. And it also get iodine. And it give everything, every elderly people must feed on the mash. Because the mash is a bodybuilder. Alright, my people. So this Sam get a good package now where you can, as I say, a couple of days time you see my walk, don't surprise. Yeah. See?
Yeah.
So I'm there with Sam now, my people.
Yeah.
And tell all the donor them,
Big
enough
up
respect to the donor them. And the sponsor them, enough respect, cause what I do, as I say, anytime you help a man, you help yourself. And what goes around comes up around. So if you do good, good follow you do. The bad, what you sow, what you reap. Anything affect the mind, affect the body. So if you think negative, it will have a negative. impact on your body.
Yeah.
So all more my people them to just stay focused, get yourself reconnect back to nature and yourself, and there you can walk as a child of the universe, a child of God.
Every time.
You don't just be a product of God, you must live as a God.
Yeah.
You don't be a product. A product of God, you live and say, yeah, but you must act like God, be strong, be creative, be forceful, be powerful.
Yeah.
Use your cosmic energy. Use the mind. Alright?
Yeah.
So time is the master. Yeah? So Sam, enough respect again. Love and honor. Yes sir.
Yeah.
And big up Kino.
Yeah.
Kino I do a great work. And Kino look for the people that were sick and help them. I mean look for them too and nourish them back. So peace.
I love. Alright, yeah, Sam. Don't worry, man. I'm gonna take care of that for you, yeah?
Don't worry.
I'm gonna take care of it for you, right? Alright.
Thank you for this. I'm taking on behalf of Miss Gloria.
Yeah.
Thank God bless you.
Alright, dream team, one team, you know.
You want to try it?
Campus pa yaga eat, right? That's all? Tagaron? Mas keratin fear, no? Half-Roast Points.
That's it. Thank you.
Alright.
And I hope you share back. You never empty your heart.
Alright, then take care, yeah?
Thank you, very grateful, friend.
Alright, then.
Okay.
Mother. Yeah. Food I feel heavy for you.
This is the family face that must for a long while.
Yeah. I wonder for your favorite. Listen, for them I see this for a long while.
Yeah.
Hear that?
Long time you don't see this face for a long while, that's why.
Yeah, same way, is it?
Yes, you come look here, but you have to. You know, you have to. It's been a while. Guess what? We have good news, you know.
Straight.
We come out reach. But today the man will come deliver it, but he never end up coming today. So hopefully he might come tomorrow.
Alright.
Because I really want to come, so I could make one thing. So I can come tomorrow now, I just come drop it off here tomorrow. You know, so.
See you food.
There's
One of your favorite they always look out for me.
Yeah. So it's what the ground
Rasta
provide.
food. Yeah, one of our favorite she always look out for me. You see me?
See there, Ali, big up the viewers them on the down of them. A long time I see your
It's been a while, you see.
Yeah.
Viewers them a whole heap of things to say, you know, but when the time is right, you know. When the time is right, because them say after a storm there must be a calm. You
And
see?
them say TrenchTown nice again.
Yeah. Them say TrenchTown nice again.
So this is where I go and then. You know, so.
They always have to bring the smile to my mother's face, you see.
You know,
See,
righteous.
like that, you know. No.
Righteous way, man.
Yeah, watch her. Give me a kiss. She love me like that, boy. You see.
Righteous.
So big up all of the donor them said speed, you know. Say don't know car still there, you know. We're not going nowhere. You see.
Still a truckle.
Still a chocolate. The car in a neutral, that chocolate don't start moving, you see. No, not at all. Everything plug in, not no plug out, you know.
Yeah.
So you donor them big up on yourself again, you know, once more again, you see. All of the donor them. Love base station, me not missing out. You know, some is there live and live in color. And big up Pablo, you know. Cause I got pick up some insure for her yesterday, you know. She had, how much of them you drink already? She does a drink, you know. Insure, she does a drink. And I drink her Malta with the insure, you see. And so I say, big up the donors them again. Cause half of the story have never been told, you know, you see. So
them are gonna know.
Them are gonna know the real thing, you see. So big up on yourself again, you know. Mother,
you know,
you have much to say in the cause.
Alright.
Big up the
Yeah,
donor.
mama?
Yes.
So,
Thank you, Kino.
there's no problem.
Stop the hand from shaking because you're going to soon go back to the fizzle.
Get it back up and running again.
Yeah, you see.
You know, I think Ali, we're going to run around
Yeah.
and do the rest.
Mother, which way? Bring a food for you, mommy.
Wow, hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Boy, I too, you know.
Matu now?
Yeah, what year was in birthday?
You're leaving. I get big.
So you see what you mean that, Carly?
Cool. Alright, then your chips?
Yeah, man.
While it's hard to assess how influential political memes really are, they are playing a role in political debates.
Alright,
Damn, brother, yeah.
every time.
Global hit,
Yeah,
Cat,
that man come to me,
We asked the memes creator Chris Torres about the story behind the Pop-Tart cat.
Is it?
That you not see it?
Yeah.
Man.
Battery dead?
Kino!
Yeah. The battery finish?
Did it?
Chris Torres
Yeah, man, that's it. Good enough. Stop it on. From music in there, from clean up on it. They put down in the side, that's it. Yeah, man.
Oh.
Yeah.
We have a...
No want to like the camera like we put them on the TV with a track in the cabinet. I know in time like that. No, no, but I don't see that put the bottom and I just see it. Until we can't do something that come with like that, I can't give it to me.
So, okay, so basically...
Every time, brother.
Yeah. So we say the air we need to run out of battery.
Years later, when he
Yeah.
sold a
The air we need to run out of battery.
NFT.
So we'll get some battery for you.
So me I talk about it, brother.
Yeah.
For digital artworks,
I give thanks and praise to Paul and Mighty God every time, you know, see it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, you know, see it? And give thanks with Christmas, you know, see it, rock, you know?
Yeah.
for a high
Yeah,
price in the
man.
blockchain cryptocurrency, Ether.
I was just wondering.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.